Here is a complete guide to installing Windows 11 on a Mac. Method 1. Boot Camp. First, check compatibility. Ensure your Mac supports Windows 11. Next, backup data. Backup important files and data. Then, download Windows 11. Get the ISO file from Microsoft. Open Boot Camp. Go to Applications, then Utilities, and finally Boot Camp Assistant. Create a partition. Allocate space for Windows, a minimum of 64 gigabytes. Install Windows. Follow Boot Camp prompts to install Windows 11. Lastly, install drivers. Install Apple drivers for hardware compatibility. Method 2. Parallels Desktop. Start by downloading Parallels. Get the software from the Parallels website. Install Parallels. Follow the installation wizard. Create a virtual machine. Set up a virtual machine for Windows 11. Install Windows. Install Windows 11 within the virtual machine. Finally, install Tools. Install Parallels Tools for optimized performance. Method 3. VMware Fusion. First, download VMware from the VMware website. Next, follow the installation wizard to install VMware. Once installed, set up a virtual machine for Windows 11. After setting up the virtual machine, proceed to install Windows 11 within it. Lastly, don't forget to install VMware tools for optimized performance. Here are some additional tips. Ensure your Mac meets the system requirements for Windows 11. It's also important to use a valid Windows 11 license and install the necessary drivers for hardware compatibility. Lastly, take some time to familiarize yourself with the features and settings of Windows 11. Remember to choose the method that suits your needs best, and carefully follow the instructions to avoid any issues. Good luck!